All right, so my question really is, this is based on Scott Durrell's presentation of the CDS, where he was mentioning the Plan 2, where you can see here the Plan 2 has some restricted entities for read, but in general, Plan 2 has CRUD, that means create, read, update, delete possibilities for most entities. So I wanted to see what would happen, let's say in the theory of just being a sales user and trying to see if I find the limitations. So in the restricted documents, it doesn't mention opportunities. It only mentions incidents. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I can just use the $40 per month license for Plan 2, which is fairly cheap and use opportunities. And so far, I can't see why not. So I'm still trying to figure out why I can't use it. So what I did just to check it out is I created a new demo in CRM. So this is just an out-of-the-box demo. For the users, I have added this main user, which has the customer engagement license. And then I added another user that has never had a customer engagement license. It's never been assigned. The only licenses it has ever been assigned is the PowerApps Plan 2. So my question would be then, and first, okay, what happens to this user? Will it actually be put into the CRM at all because it doesn't have the customer engagement? And yes, it was. So it is presented here as a PowerApps user. So what I did then was I just gave it the salesperson role. And I wanted to check what happened when this user logged in, because I wasn't sure if it actually would have had access to the app at all. If we can call our CRM an app, I don't really know what we call it anymore. So when I log in, the first thing I get, and this is then with the user called the PowerApps user. So at home, if I go to portal.office.com, because this is the only license he has, I guess, he is automatically directed to the CRM system. And from here, he has full access to opportunities. And of course, I understand that licensing in Microsoft is based on trust, but the whole point is that I wasn't actually sure that a PowerApps Plan 2 user had access to the CRM, or if it only had access to the CDS as a platform. But here I can do whatever I want. Store changes. So I mean, I don't know. What do you people think? Can we use this? Should we use this? Will this be a hole that would be stopped soon? I don't know. Right now I'm looking at a $40 per user per month for simple sales users.